Hi, I'm Karl, and this week I'm the chemist and metal refinisher here at the Guild, and working on some steel plugs for the side covers on the Indian motorcycle. The motorcycle is a 1940-ish Indian Chief, but it's had a rough life. These were all mangled up by improper screwdriver use, so I've filed them down, sanded them down, polished them up a little bit, and treated them with a black oxide treatment to prevent any further rust. And basically the process is quite simple. Everything has to be super clean. I use Pine Sol and multiple rinses. Put on the black oxide coating, let it sit for a while, and seal it with a sealer. And finally, we finish it off with some conservator's wax. It'll prevent any further rusting. Well, the engine needs a lot of care and cleaning to make it look decent again. But it's coming along slowly but surely, and I hope to be able to ride it one spring.